I'm celebrating my birthday with the Santo Cristo Parish Choir. I grew up with them. We sang for almost 40 years now. And we're still together. That's the church where we grew up. The Santo Cristo Parish Choir. Yun po yun. Mahusay! Mahusay po sila. They're very good. But birthday ko daw. Celebrating my birthday with them. Ayan po sila. Thank you po. Thank you, choir. Birthday ko po. Thank you po. Thank you, choir. Very good. Sino ba may birthday? Kamusta?
Happy ko yung happy birthday doon.
Ayun na po. Passion na po.
Happy birthday. Maganda.
Ano?
Para may ano mo.
Diba?
Sige. Sa amin.
Kakain. Okay.
Oh, di ano yan pala. Latik. Ano ay, pala.
Flowers. Gathering po uli ng choir. Sinampaluran gawa ni Ate Del.
Happy birthday, G.
Thank you, Ate Lani. I love you.
Love you.
Happy back.
Yes. We miss you. May atay din.
Bye, yaman-yaman ng choir.
May good one. Hanapin si Dugo. Birthday, Reggie.
Thank you, Ate Ate.
Birthday, Reggie.
Thank you, Ate Del. Patay gusto ko. Sayang I-24 mo.
Yes. 500.
Sayang 500. Isa na lang po puno at I-24. Matalo pa. Yan lang po nakayanan ng part. Thank you, Dr. Kay Ate Beth. Daming pagkain.
Happy birthday, G. Love you.
I love you too. I'll see you next time.
Picture.
Ay, may picture ha.
Sandali lang.
Diba?
Ako, Thor. Among the Roses.
Panalo pong sinampaluan. Siya po ang po. Siya po yung nanalo ng 500. 200. 700. Oh. Umiyak kayo. Sila po yung mga talunan.
Hello.
Hi, pa. Thank you. Diba? Plastika. Alam ko po sila lahat. So time for shopping. So, balutin mo ako. Yan po sila.
Happy birthday, G.
Thank you.
Love you.
O, diba? Plastika. Love you.
Love you.
Love you, eh. Hi, G.
Ayaw maniwala. Bahala.
Hi, behave na kasi lang. May aling 7-11. I love you.
Mas plastic.
Thank you for watching. Have a great day and always be kind to one another. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, G.